We needed to address several issues, and the Hytera radio allowed us to solve these problems. We used another technology for the radio. When the DMR appeared on the market, performance wasn't conclusive, with many issues at various levels. Customers would return product because they experienced problems. We looked at other companies and we came across Hytera product. We realized that there were no returns with this product. All comments were positive. We purchased several hundred units, and it is this product that led to our company to signing the contract for the new Champlain Bridge. They loved the radio's size and ruggedness, and the fact that we could create a private network customized for their needs.
The new Champlain Bridge is 3.4 kilometers long. And it's actually in 3 sectors. The east one located in Brossard, the central MST part, which is a cable-stayed structure, and the west part 2 kilometers on Ile des Serres. It's one of the biggest projects in North America, with almost 700 steel erectors and a total of up to 2,000 men on the worksite. We decided to use Hytera products at the end of the project, and we can say that they're very good and accurate radios. Considering that the project ran 24/7 for 2 years, throughout the winter cold and the summer heat, from minus 30 degrees Celsius to plus 30 degrees Celsius, the radios were thoroughly tested during the project. In our line of work, we can't have delays. When we have communication failures, it has to be fixed right away so that it won't impede the project's progress.
We'll work with any type of customer. We can help anyone, whether it's for 2 units, 5 or 600. We can supply them just the same. We treat every customer the same. We strive to satisfy everybody.
My name is Michel Lévesque. I'm in charge of the warehouse, the maintenance, and communications. We have about 15 mobile radios. We also have radio stations in offices which help us communicate with the jockeys in the yard so that they can bring the trailers where they need to be. Walkie-talkies are part of our everyday life, and they're always on. We're always in contact with the guys in the yard. When we need a trailer, we call a jockey from the yard and we get an instant response. The signal is clean and clear.
We recently installed a Hytera trunking system in the Montreal area. What makes us stand out from the competition is that we're in an isolated area, which prevents interference from the neighbors' radio communication channels, and it helps to improve the system's performance. The difference between Communication LCT and most of the competition is that we can adjust to meet the customer's needs. Not many competitors will go the extra mile to support such a vision. It is a completely different approach. If the client needs a private system, a trunking system, a short, medium, or extra wide coverage, even throughout North America, we can find a solution that will satisfy our client.
With Communication LCT, it's easy. When we need quick service, they help us right away. Hytera products work great. I recommend them. With Communication LCT, it's easy. When we need quick service, they help us right away. Hytera products work great. I recommend them. Communication LCT has been quite an adventure for more than 30 years. My father is a visionary and he started the company in his garage.
After purchasing about 50 mobile radios, I started to lease them to security agencies during night and weekend shifts.
A year later, in 1995, my brother and I joined the company as our father had his hands full. The company had taken off, the turnover was increasing, and we needed resources to run the company.
I wanted them to be part of the legacy. I taught them the ropes, and over time they adjusted very well.
In 1996, ClearNet, now TELUS, asked us if we wanted to become a distributor for their long-distance communication service called Mike. 7 years later, my brother and I officially owned the company as our father retired. Well, it's not a real retirement as he still works part-time.
I don't think I could ever stop working. I really have to be here at least 2 or 3 days a week. I mean, I want to be here and witness the success and growth of the company.
3 years later, in 2013, with the company's steady growth, an increase in personnel, and the expansion of our operations, we purchased a new building in Mascouche. We moved in 2014, and we are very proud of this. True to ourselves, we decided to launch the development of a long-distance system that will be serviced through the Rogers and TELUS cell towers.
I'm very proud of what they've achieved so far, not only because of the work they've accomplished, but because of what they share with their staff. That kind of relationship is really the bedrock of the company.